Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Rahman. I'm 16 years old and I'm from Assam. Talking about my profession, I am currently doing acting and modeling. So, remember that you have within the potential, the strength, and the passion to reach the stars which can change the world. There is a quote by Mr. Gibbs which inspires me a lot, which is life is short, be bold, be heard, be you, dream big and take risk and don't wait. Being yourself in a world who is constantly trying to make you something else is the biggest accomplishment. Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Rahman. I'm 16 years old and I'm from Assam. My father's name is Wahidur Rahman and my mother's name is Manshi Rahman. I was born in Tripura and was raised in Assam, and I also lived in Gujarat for 4 years. Talking about my profession, I am currently doing acting and modeling. And coming from an Islam family, it wasn't that appreciated. Like modeling and acting was just considered as an hobby, it wasn't considered as a profession. But my biggest supporter, my mother, always stood by my side and helped me out in everything, for which I'm so grateful. And I thank God for blessing me with a mother like her. So always keep believing in yourself, because when you start believing in your dreams, people start believing in you. So believing in yourself is the first step towards obtaining your goals. So remember that you have within the potential, the strength, and the passion to reach the stars which can change the world. And some advices that I would like to give to the people who are new in this profession would be brave, be patient, and be hardworking, because be brave because you are going to face a lot, and I promise you will feel exhausted. Like you will be disturbed financially, physically, socially, and mentally. But remember not to give up. And you will meet a lot of people who will be bad and some will be good. So it's upon you how to treat them. So always be alert about your surroundings and keep working hard, and be patient, because there are millions of people working in this industry who are trying to give their best. So if sometimes you don't win, just don't lose hope and don't feel sad. Just keep appreciating yourself that you have tried your best. Fun stuff that I like to do out of my work would be writing poems and shairis. So I am always concerned about my life, like everything should be maintained. So I always do something that is related to my profession. So poem and shairis help me a lot because they improve my pronunciation, and I also come to know different type of words, which helps me a lot. And yeah, it's my hobby also. So I enjoy writing poems and shairis. Coming to the struggles and hard times that I have faced in my career would be balancing, because I'm just 16-year-old who is studying in school. So balancing my shooting time with the tuition times and the school time was very hard for me. But my mother, my mother always helped out me in everything, and she always managed my works. I have faced a lot of judgments, like from the day I started working on myself and on my profession. People started throwing dirty comments and vulgar comments on me. But I believed in myself and I never stopped. And I always kept one thing in my mind, that I cannot stop my life just because some people were throwing dirt on me. My life is more important than some few comments. So I always concentrated what I wanted to do and what made me happy. So, and because of that, I think today I am very happy, because caring about people will never make you happy nor make you satisfied, because you get your life only once. You don't have any guarantee that you will take born again and you will have chances, lot of chances. So just grab the chance what you have and just do what you want to do. Also, there were days where I felt very exhausted and disturbed, because People were throwing so much of dirt on me, but my biggest supporter, my mother, helped me out when I was crying at night. She told me that they are not feeding me and they are not going to help me out in anything. So that helped me a lot in recovering myself, and now I am so strong that nothing can break me. Apparently, there is no role model for me because I just want to be myself. I just want to prove myself, and I want to be the better version of myself than yesterday. Because being yourself in a world who is constantly trying to make you something else is the biggest accomplishment. So I connect to people, I look around, and I try to cultivate the good qualities that I see in them. But I always keep in mind that I want to be me. I don't want to be like her or like that. I just want to be me. And I believe in not going where the path may lead. I go instead where there is no path and try to leave a trail. There is a quote by Mr. Gibbs which inspires me a lot, which is life is short, be bold, be heard, be you, dream big and take risk and don't wait. So risk are part and parcel of our life. So to savor the sweetness of love, we must risk ourselves being vulnerable or being rejected. And to enjoy life, we must need risk ourselves being human beings. And well, the good news is we need not always get stumped in risking our time. Sometimes we will win. Things or people that inspire me a lot would be my parents because my parents are very hardworking, and I still remember my father's salary was just 7,000 at that time. So one day my grandmother fell sick and he had no money to take her to the hospital. So he sold his phone just to arrange the fare for the car to take her to the hospital. And I know it was very hard for a person who earned only 7,000 per month to run the whole joint family. So he somehow managed the fare for the car by selling his phone. And I remember when we came to Mangalde at 2008, we lived in Kacha house till 2016. But my father never lost hope. He always tried to inspire me. He always told me that keep working hard, keep improving yourself. One day you will get success. And now I think I am realizing that he was right, and I'm so blessed that I have a father like him. He is also a soldier, so he lives very far from us. So when we talk over call, he always tells me, Beta, keep working hard, keep learning anything. Like if you want to do anything, just tell me. I will always be your side. So I'm thankful for parents like them, and I'm so privileged that I have parents like them. So I just want to tell you that I love both of you, and I'm blessed to have parents like you, and I promise that I will make you happy. I will make you proud one day.
दोस्तों, ये थी असम की रहने वाली जेनिफर रहमान की कहानी। इनकी कहानी ऐसे तमाम लोगों को इंस्पायर करेगी जो एक्टिंग की दुनिया में आगे बढ़ने के सपने देखते हैं। इन्होंने भी बचपन से ही एक एक्टर बनने का सपना देखा। बड़े होकर अपनी कड़ी मेहनत के दम पर आखिर इन्होंने उस सपने को सच कर दिखाया। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आपको बता दें, त्रिपुरा में जन्मी और असम में पली बड़ी जेनिफर आज बाय प्रोफेशन एक मॉडल और एक एक्टर है। आज ये मॉडलिंग और एक्टिंग कर रही हैं। वैसे दोस्तों, क्योंकि ये एक इस्लाम फैमिली से है, ऐसे में इनके इस प्रोफेशन को ज़्यादा सराहा नहीं गया, क्योंकि उन लोगों का मानना है कि ये एक प्रोफेशन ना बनकर केवल एक हॉबी ही रहे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है। ऐसे में कई बार लोग इन्हें इस प्रोफेशन में आगे बढ़ने से रोकते हैं, और ये तो हम सभी जानते हैं कि लोग काफ़ी जजमेंटल होते हैं। ऐसे में इनके मार्ग में अवरोध पैदा करने की भी कोशिशें की जाती हैं। लेकिन दोस्तों, ये मानती है कि हमारी लाइफ इन चंद लोगों की सोच से कहीं बढ़कर है, कीमती है, बहुत अनमोल है, और ये लाइफ हमें बार बार नहीं मिलती। इसीलिए ज़िंदगी में जो भी मौका आपको मिले, उसे खोए बगैर हमेशा आगे बढ़े। वही करें जो आपको अच्छा लगे और आपको खुशी दे। दोस्तों, इनके इस प्रोफेशन में आगे बढ़ने में इनकी माँ ने इनका बहुत साथ दिया। एक वही है जो हमेशा इनके साथ खड़ी रहती है। अपनी माँ से ही इन्हें आगे बढ़ने की हिम्मत मिलती है। आज ये मानती है कि हमेशा खुद पर भरोसा करें। When you start believing your dreams, people start counting on you. So establishing faith in yourself is the first step towards obtaining your goal. जी हाँ दोस्तों, जब आप अपने सपनों पर विश्वास करना शुरू करते हैं, तो लोग भी आप पर भरोसा जताते हैं। इसलिए खुद पर विश्वास करना ही आपका पहला कदम है अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने में। दोस्तों, आप ये जानकर हैरान रह जाएंगे कि आज ये सिर्फ 16 साल की है। इतनी कम उम्र में ही इन्होंने अपने पैशन को अपना प्रोफेशन बना लिया। आज ये अपने प्रोफेशन के साथ ही अपनी स्टडीज पर भी फोकस करती है। दोनों को एक साथ मैनेज करके चलती है। और जैसा कि इन्होंने बताया कि एक कोट है जो इन्हें बेहद इंस्पायर करता है, एंड दैट इज लाइफ इज शॉर्ट, बी बोल्ड, बी यू, ड्रीम बिग, टेक रिस्क्स एंड डोंट वेट। जी हाँ दोस्तों, जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है। हमेशा साहसी बने, बड़े बड़े सपने देखें और उन सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए अगर कोई रिस्क भी लेना पड़े तो बिल्कुल बिना किसी हिचकिचाहट के उस रिस्क को लेने के लिए हमेशा रेडी रहें, क्योंकि दोस्तों ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा। जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये थी एक उभरते कलाकार की कहानी जो अपनी माँ का हाथ थामे अपने अभिनय की कला के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है। और हमारा विश्वास है कि इनकी मेहनत और आत्मविश्वास के दम पर एक दिन ये कामयाबी की तमाम ऊंचाइयों को छुएंगी। दोस्तों, ये थी हमारी कहानी। अगर आपको ये कहानी पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर करें। साथ ही अपनी कहानी भी हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए। अब वक्त हो चला है आप सभी से इजाज़त लेने का। फिर मिलेंगे आपसे, फिर लौटेंगे आपके पास एक नई कहानी के साथ। तब तक के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए दिलचस्प कहानियाँ। नमस्कार।